I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn notes on the guitar fretboard. Mastering the fretboard is a fundamental skill that unlocks your full potential as a guitarist. We'll start by identifying the open string notes, then move on to understanding the repeating patterns that make the fretboard less daunting. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to confidently navigate all the notes on your instrument, enhancing your playing and musical understanding. The guitar fretboard is organized logically. Your 6 open strings are E, A, D, G, B, and E, from the thickest low E to the thinnest high E. Each fret you press down raises the pitch by 1/2 step. This means that after 12 frets, you arrive at the same note an octave higher. Recognizing this 12-fret pattern is crucial for understanding how notes are distributed across the neck. To effectively learn the notes, start by memorizing the natural notes on the low E and A strings. These 2 strings serve as excellent reference points. Once you know these, use your knowledge of octaves and intervals to locate the same notes on other strings. A great exercise is to pick one note like C and find every C on the fretboard, then repeat with other notes. Consistent practice is key to solidifying your fretboard knowledge. Try to dedicate at least 10 minutes each day specifically to memorizing notes. As you learn, immediately apply this knowledge to scales, chords, and even your favorite songs. Don't hesitate to use visual aids such as fretboard diagrams or interactive apps to reinforce your learning. Regular, focused practice will make the fretboard feel like a familiar map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.